Welcome back to another edition of Tesla Tips and Trips. I want to thank you personally for the over 500 people who have subscribed to this channel so far. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. And for the few of you who have used our Tesla referral code, we really appreciate those Supercharger miles. We will put them to good use on a future trip where we will document it and bring it to you. So thank you to those folks as well. Today we've got something different for you on the channel. It's kind of a tip, I guess. It's not a trip, but it's an unboxing. I've never done one of these. I ordered something from Tesla, and you know, as with anything, if it comes from Tesla, we gotta do some video on it. So here we go. We're gonna do an unboxing of the Tesla flat-rimmed snapback red hat. I had to get one, and the reason is because of this. It was $15. It was $25 for the longest time, and I caught it on the app. You know, you can shop on the app now, and I caught it on the app. I'm like, $15? I gotta buy this. I gotta check it out. So, all right, let's do the unboxing. Okay, I've got my box cutting device here. We're gonna do our first unboxing here on Tesla Tips and Trips. Check this out. Something from Tesla is always exciting, right? All right, box is open. Oh, look at that. It's in a fancy Tesla bag. Sweet, I can feel it's a hat. There we go. What's inside? Can you see it? Look at that. $15. You can't even get a knockoff like this one for $15. Look at that. So cool. Not so sure about this flat part. Of course, my 12-year-old loves these kinds of hats, but it always leaves a dent on my forehead. So I think I'm gonna do one of these actions. Little rubber band, get it all curved out. There is the official Tesla snapback red and black hat. There's the snap part. I wish they put a logo here. That would have been cool. Little black dot here. That is official. And for $15, you can't beat that. Like I said, the knockoffs are more expensive. So you're going to see this hat on future videos here on Tesla Tips and Trips. That is the official unboxing of this hat from Tesla. Oh, by the way, let's see how many days it took. I ordered it on September 11th and got it here on the 16th at 11 a.m. So now you know, I guess, at least one item, how long it takes to get from Tesla to your house. I'm in California. All right, thanks once again to everybody joining us here on Tesla Tips and Trips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and do all that fun stuff. And use our promo code, our referral code, for free miles. 1,000 free miles for you and 1,000 free miles for us that we will use on future road trips and bring it to the channel. So thanks again. We'll catch you on the next video.